le investment oyenza kule nkonzo i-investment ezawuthi years to come ngalomsebenzi izawushintsha isizwe nabantu. Buka i-impact engiyenzile in a short space of time ngoku-revive iqiniso. In few minutes you will hear now certain people sebekhuluma nge-African religion basimangaza. It shows you in a short space of time, it shows you in years to come. Ngeliqiniso uNkulunkulu angiphathise ne-awareness. It shows ukuthi people bazawuvuka, i-youth yethu izawuvuka. It shows kuzawuba khona i-revival, kuzawuba khona isitshingitsheng esizawushaya i-Afrika. Isitshingitsheng seqiniso, i-revival yeqiniso. Angazi yangizwa kahle na? Yes, i-African revival. Ngiyaprofetha kuzi African revival. Le revival ezawuveza the hidden truths e-Africa ekudala sifihlwe for years, and I am part of that, and I'm leading that e-Africa. I'm leading that.